Alright. Where are we going next?
We're going left.
Going left, alright.
Oh wait, I like how it's like turning for me.
Oh no! Man down! Okay, don't go that way, but we go. Yeah, there we go. Turn it in.
We're cooking.
We're cooking. Why are you making it go sideways? Wheelies, wheelies! Woo! Does it actually shoot lasers, or is that
No.
just
No, but it shoots out mist, but I don't know how the mist works. But you see that thing in the back?
Yeah.
That's where the mist shoots out, but I'm going to see how the mist works.
That will probably help you figure that out.
And if it requires like fog, then
we have a bunch of that at the storage.
yeah, which is just your Halloween fog.
Yep.
Or we could just buy it from store.
Okay.
Oh geez, okay. Better get closer to it because it's starting to turn.
Check if the wheels are good.
They're fine.
You sure they aren't damaged or anything? Because we're on concrete.
Yeah, they're fine. They're only getting 30.
Okay.
They're supposed to get 30 anyway, through all my trucks. Yeah.
I'm only in socks, so.
Then your socks will get dirty.
You know.
But hey, it was worth it. Because this boy's going on YouTube. There's no way I'm just recording with my camera, I'm recording with its camera.
Yeah, I like how you can record it. Look at that.
Because I put a setting on my iPad so it lets me record.
The buildings look wonky through this. Like.
Yeah. But it's because of my speed. Wait, I want to see what the other one is. Oh, this shoots out the mist.
Well, you need to put the mist stuff in there first.
What you prefer with the sound or?
I like it with the sound.
Alright, because it's kind of annoying me.
How is it annoying you?
Car?
It's your car.
It's not car.
Okay, let's put it back on the sidewalk. We're going back to the house.
Alright, but we're staying on the road still.
No, we gotta go on the sidewalk. Sidewalk now.
Alright, but okay.
Oh dear. That's some bumpy road. Say hey, Finn. Okay, let's put him on the sidewalk now. Okay, let's put him on the sidewalk now, please. Oh.
Yeah, it's better on the road. Definitely. We should do a night edition.
A nighttime edition? Yeah.
Yeah. Cause it's gonna look cooler since it has lights.
just make sure no one takes it or tries to touch it when you're doing it.
Take
If
it?
they do, you yell, "That's mine."
Don't worry. I'll let them touch it, but not take it.
No, because you do that, they're gonna take it, Jaden. Because no one's seen that.
Well, if they take it, then I'm just gonna suddenly start spinning it around. Well, I'm just gonna make as much noise as I can to make them
Yes, that would make
get
sense.
annoyed.
Make as much noise as you can.
And at the same time, while doing that, I'm gonna chase them.
And that concludes our roundabout. Here you go. Stop.
We're done.